everyone, my name is Wakalele Ashim, and in this video I'm going to show you my W3Schools SQL tutorial part 2 video. Today I'm going to explain the DQL, giving a difference between DQL and DML and showing examples. So data query language DQL is used to read data, main command, select. It does not change the data, whereas DML, data manipulation language, used to modify data, commands, insert, update, delete. It changes the actual records. And I'm going to show you, this is my W3 school. So as instructed in the instructions, I'm going to come here. I show you how it works. I have already read this stuff, so I understand every concept, and now I want to give an example in an exercise. So what is the purpose of the SQL insert into statement? This is to add new table. So that is my answer. Let me submit, and they say the answer is correct. So I'm going to go to the next one. Let me go to update. So to update, I have already read all the concepts, and then I'm going to exercise my concept. What is the purpose of the SQL update statement? This is exactly open. It's to modify. Update is like modifying existing stuff. So let me submit, and I see. So the answer is correct. So that is it. Now on top of that, I'm going to show you how I used other resources as learning hub. So the first one is here. I used let me first delete this. I used GeeksforGeeks as my learning. It helped me to understand the concept, and this resource helped me so much to understand. I used YouTube tutorials, also helped me so much. Then I used also Learn SQL. It helped me so much. You can even take the assessments here. Yeah, it helped me so much, and that is it. So in simple terms, these resources helped me understand how to actually work with data, not just query, but it check out myself for the foreigners. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.